Good morning and welcome. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Thanking you all for joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. It's absolutely free. And press the notification bell. I have videos that come out daily pretty much. Sometimes on a weekend I might have a couple of shorter ones, so just tips, tricks, you know, trying to teach you the art of acrylic pouring along with the learning experience that I'm having also, because there's always something new to learn in this art experience. So I have my paints all mixed up, pouring medium recipe in the drop down box, and I am doing a colander pour. I found this colander, it's got little feet because the one I had before stayed flat on my canvas, but this one sits up, so probably should have done it on a square canvas. This is a 40 by 50. And I'm thinking that I'm going to pour the colours in separately, not in a jug and then in there. So I'm going to see how it goes. I've got a lovely kaleidoscope of colours pre-mixed, so I want something bright and uplifting for us all. And we'll see how we go. Remember, guys, it's only paint. So here we go. I have this lovely turquoise. So see how, not sure if I should put it into a jug. What do you think, guys? Oh, just trying to think, should I put it into a jug or should I not put it? Okay, I'm not. I'm just going to go for it. Turquoise, I'm going to add some navy. My pouring medium recipe, how I've mixed up this paint and what I've put in it is in the description box if you care to have a look, if you'd like to know, and it's underneath this video. So I'm going to go the red. This is the brilliant red. Add some silver, so this is metallic silver. See how we go with this, adding the metallic to it. It all does have a few drops of Helmar silicone in it. I'm going to go to the yellow, just hoping that this doesn't change all the colours in it. So we'll go the citrus now, so the lemon or yellow, orange. Might add some of the viridian, so lemons, orange and apples, let's say. Go back to the orange. Yellow. I can see I'm going to come across a problem already because the handle is sitting actually on the canvas. Oh, we just go with it, go with the flow, Joe. Let's see what we come out with. So that's the lovely red again. They're all Mont colours. They're available worldwide. I do not get paid by Mont or anybody. I don't get commissions of selling Mont paint, as people have asked me. I do not get commissions for any of the paints that I use or recommend, so if I use them and I like them, I tell you about them. Simple as that. Nobody, no paint company supplies my paint for me. This might turn out one big jolly old mess, but we'll keep trying it. They're lovely colours, but I'm not sure if they're going to go back to my navy, back to the turquoise. Fun, fun, fun. Fun in the art room. And that's what any of you guys, if you're feeling a bit down, sad, lonely, just try and push yourself to do something that does give you joy. Always worth it in the end. It's the last of my yellow. And the last of the turquoise. Oh, wow. Wowzers, trousers. Use a bit more of the silver. This particular paint mix has all got a couple of drops of the Helmar silicone in it. Last of my navy. Wow, look at those colours. Oh. It looks pretty just like that. Can I just leave it like that with a colander stuck in the middle of it? Think that'll pass? No, I don't think so. I'll save some of these bright ones for the top. There, that's the last of my citrusy orange. I've got a little bit of the cerulean blue here. I haven't added this into any of the other mix, but I will add it. That's the last of it. Teeny weeny drop of this. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm not going to go any more, as I always overdo it, as those that watch me know. Pushing the boundaries. Let's see if I can get this off without making a dog's dinner of it. Wow. That's a bit weird, hey? Okay. What will I do with it now? Let's, I'm going to just put some colour on the very edges of it. Put some colours over the very edge. Just so I've got further then to try and make the paint stretch. I don't have to. This colour will go over the edges first. So this is the turquoise, I believe. So let's just use it up. If I've got it there. Certainly a kaleidoscope of colours, isn't it? It does look just like a kaleidoscope too. So do I put the torch on it or the heat wand, wonder wand? Definitely a kaleidoscope of colours, but I do want to try something before I start to stretch it out. I've got my little bamboo skewer or chopsticky thing. I'm going to run from kind of the centre-ish out. There's a lot of paint there, so I am going to tilt it out, but I just got this little idea in my head to try this, so we'll go with it. Definitely looks like a kaleidoscope for sure. I'm hoping when I tilt this it doesn't go Hope I don't lose those or the colours go muddy, but you know, you just have to try these things. What have I got there? Holy dooly, oh. A blob of something. Oh well. Wipe me Donnies. Oh, I just love these, and look, they're all going to be ended up tilted off. The colours, just so gorgeous. Just nice and easy and relaxed. There's no hurry. Just trying to stretch it out. I've seen some people do this really quick and end up with gorgeous results. I've tried doing it really quick and I just lose everything. So, what a shake. I love the colours around the edges, but I don't love the centre so much, and it's the edges that I'm going to end up losing, like so vibrant. But anyway, they always come out unique looking. Remember, they're abstract art and there's never any two the same, so they're always interesting, and what you think is a complete disaster, another will think it's a masterpiece. So from master to disaster, can't really lose, can you? So kind of like this island thing happening up here. It's completely not like a colander pour, whatever a colander pour is supposed to look like. That's it. It's not supposed to look like anything, I suppose. It's your own interpretation, your own little art journey that can bring up some absolutely amazing things. Wow. Just keep this. I'm going to keep this colour, but there's no way I'm going to be able to keep it because I've got to take it over to the edge. So it's basically losing all that brilliant colours I had in it, and that is a shame. So I've got to work on, well, these were the last colours I added, so it makes sense that they're the ones that are going to stay on the top of it all. So, oh, bye bye colour, I do love you. It looks like you're gonna go. Kind of not particularly liking that bit here, so I'd prefer to run that off than any of the others. Actually looks like something geographical, so for a colander pour too, I mean, it's completely lost the shape of the kaleidoscope, but it's actually looking, this is now quite interesting, really like that. And this, I like the silver that's coming through. I'm just going to center it because I just love that. Now I've got this turquoise in the edges, but I hope to just doodle my way through that into something that looks do it nice and easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Looks very geographical. Wowzers, trousers. I need to get some of this colour just on the very tippies. Just finger pop it on the very edges. Oh, let's see, my edges look nice. Okay, I'm going to add some heat to that. Just hoping that it don't absolutely burst into million cells. So get the lovely Wonder Wand, magic wand, do your thing. Okay, I don't want to do any more to that. I'm liking it just as it is. Definitely abstract, definitely oh, I'm way out of, sorry guys. Over there, over there. What am I doing? So please wait on till the end to the close-up photographs and you can see the crazy abstractness of it all. It's got some nice areas, but it's still got some iffy areas. I'm not real good at this colander pour. I mean, you know, there's some things I really love doing and that turn out well for me. The colander pour and the Dutch poury thing and don't seem to be my jam. But you've just got to stick with things that you really enjoy doing. Yeah, actually, I think I might try and do something with this, but you will see if the video doesn't end. I'll go on with it. Okay, bye for now, guys.